What's up, online shoppers? It's getting to be colder and it's time to get a space heater. Maybe you want to keep it under your desk, maybe you want to keep it in your basement, maybe you need it at the door so that when you're coming in and out your feet don't get cold, or maybe you put it in the room that's farthest away from your house. This one here, I just ordered. Let's see if it's a really great option. So I will say, I think it comes really well packaged. We're just going to pull the back off of here. It comes in really nice bubble wrap, so the shipping is fantastic. So right here is the front of it with this little guard. The guard comes on and off really easy. It's going to help keep everything from touching here if you have to worry about small children or pets. This here is your on and off button right here. The design of this little heater is actually really cool. Now at the top here, this is your work indicator. That's going to light up when it's plugged in and you will know whether or not it's working or not. This little noise, that's the interrupt. So what happens is if this ever gets knocked over, it's automatically going to shut off. And that little interrupt, as soon as that is lifted, automatically shuts the power off. And that significantly reduces the chance of an unintentional fire if the heater gets knocked over. Now, if we take a look at the back, you can see the on-off switches right here. And you've got your little plug right here. I'm just going to plug this in so I can show you how it works and what it looks like. Now we have this great little space heater plugged in, and I'm going to turn it on so that you can see what it looks like. Right there, up at the top, it's hard for you to see, but there is a red light to show that it is in operation. Now remember I said the interrupt here is underneath, and if it gets knocked over, it automatically shuts off just like it did there. This here is the button, that's the interrupt. And as soon as that is plugged in, you can see the heater resumes. That's what the light looks like when it is plugged in. At the back here, you have a little fan. You want to make sure that this is not covered because this is going to be the intake for the air. And of course, the output for the air is at the front here. Now, just within a minute of having it plugged in, it is definitely generating a lot of power. Now, this little unit has two actual speeds. And if we flip it around so we can look at the back again, you can see on the switch, there are two buttons right here. One, that's the off position. On the left-hand side of the unit is the low power, and on the right-hand side of the unit is the high power. And it is very hot, I can tell you, because it's directed right at me. Now, let's put it right here. Oh my gosh, it heated up my jewelry really, really hot. Okay, note to self, don't do that again. So I'm just going to leave it turned on for the purpose of the demonstration. You can see that the noise is not very much at all. This little unit does come in three colors. You can get it in blue, green, or white. I like this color because it blends in with the fixtures in my bathroom. I'm using that in my bathroom because it is the farthest room from the furnace and it is chilly when I get up in the morning. So this little heater is 1200 watts, which is a super amount of heat for a small space. I have this set on a timer, so it turns on just before I get into my bathroom and it turns off when I leave for work so that my bathroom is nice and warm and toasty. The timer is something separate. Now the material that encases it is fire retardant, and it does, as I mentioned, have dumping protection, which means if it's knocked over, automatically shuts off. The noise that this little unit emits is less than 30 decibels, so that is super quiet and it's not going to interrupt anything that you've got going on with an overpowering noise that you have to contend with. I love the sleek, modern look of this. I think it's really, really great. I love the copper detail on the side. I think it's actually really pretty. And I love the compact size, but not compact power of this little space heater. I think this is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.